Okay, welcome back everybody. Happy 4th of July to all of you out there. Um, Unfortunately, I was at work today, as usual. I'm always at work. I turned on the alarm that locks the Forerunner. When I tried to lock the Forerunner, I noticed it wasn't locking. One of the rear motors, actuators, whatever you want to call it, for the power door locks died. Now, I actually put that in, so that's on me. When my friend first bought the truck, um, it did come with an alarm, a Viper or whatever. I forgot whatever alarm it was. But I decided to add on the rear power door locks. So I had a bright idea to get some cheap Amazon power door lock actuators and just tap into the front ones. So when the front turns on, all four should turn on, right? Left for left, right for right. Okay, great. There's a problem when you buy cheap Amazon stuff. Not all the time, but in my case, yes, it backfired on me. There's a reason the expensive ones cost so much. There's a reason why the quality is so good on the expensive ones. I unfortunately thought I was getting a good deal. I thought I was cheap, and I tried to pick up, I think it was a pack of 4 or 5 of them for like 40 or 50 bucks or something. But it turns out that now the motors fail at least once a year, and I'll put a sound clip in the next here. I'll add a sound clip. You guys can take a look and listen. All right, guys. Today's project, I need to fix my rear power door lock, and this is what's happening. I'll disarm the door. I'll disarm the door, and you guys can hear. I'll put the microphone right next to the door so you can hear it. So something is wrong. I think the motor is dying. It did this once last year. So all right, let's get into it. Okay, now that you've heard that how bad that weird sound was, I had no idea where it was coming from, but I had a good feeling that it was the power door lock. So it ended up being, yes, the power door lock. What we're gonna do today is I just have to change that one. I'm still gonna be cheap because it came in a pack of 4. I changed one last year, changed one this year, and I'll probably change one next year and the year after that. So I have at least once a year annual routine I'm gonna end up doing, it appears to be. So that's today. Let's get on changing that power door lock. Okay. First off, where is the power door lock? Right. It's in the bottom drawer. There it is. So this is it. I'll take it outside so you guys can see in the sunlight. Let me grab my... Okay. So we just need... that wasn't good. Yep. Those cat shields are very sharp. The edges of that thing will slice you with no problem, and I just proved it. Okay, back to the truck. Oh, and by the way, little update. The carbon intake is running great. It's awesome. It works good. So smooth, so good. I love it. That was probably the best modification I've ever done, and I'm quite surprised it actually worked. Okay, so let's check out the power door locks now. And here are the power door locks. So as you can see, I'm going to change this one out today, and I can change it 2 more times, or I can spend the money and buy a quality part. Of course, I'm not going to do that. I might as well use these guys up. So first off, it is super windy today. It is very windy, and I don't have the GoPro today. Someone is borrowing it, so I'm forced to use the iPhone again. Right when I got used to using the GoPro, getting comfortable with it, knowing how it works, judging the distances, I don't have it. So such is life. We're gonna see if we can make the iPhone work today. Okay, so let's start by removing the panel. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we need to make a special tool to take off the door handle. Whoa, where'd that come from? See how windy it is? Okay, paper clip, ordinary paper clip, right? We're gonna bend it out like that. Bend it out like this. Grab your pliers. Bend a small little hook right there. And that's gonna catch the pin. The clip, I mean. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, I see our neighbors are starting early tonight. See, just like that. This is gonna hook the door clip. I mean the handle clip, you guys know what I mean. And then it goes flying. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna have to come back to that later. Push the tab. Pull out the plastic tab. Okay. I'll give you guys a close-up of the power door lock. So it's right there. That's the one we're gonna change today. It's not working, it died. right, now let's turn on the alarm and check it out, see if it works. Let's give you guys a close-up view. Perfect. Lock. Oops. Unlock. See? Lock. Unlock. All right, that easy. Put everything together and go play some Call of Duty Mobile. All right, let's put it together. All right, that's it. Now, I can probably change it 2 more times. So I'll probably do this again, what is it now, July 4th, today's 4th of July. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to do it next 4th of July. Wow, so I just noticed this is the old one that I pulled out. Let me show you guys what happened. This is the old one I pulled out. It broke. They all seem to kind of crack in the same spot. I remember the old one did something similar where it cracked in half like that. Oh well, such is life. You do pay for what you get, so let that be a hard lesson. One that I will probably repeat over and over and over. So until the next project, again, like I said, I have a ton of things to do. I'll try to get to everything as fast as I can. And thanks again for all of you. Happy 4th of July. And, you know, have a safe one out there, guys. Please try to be safe out there. Happy 4th of July, and we'll see you guys again.